Hey guys, it's Braylon back with another video. And today I thought I would show you my slime vending machine. I made it last night. It is really cool and it works really well, so I just wanted to show you guys. So let's get started. So this is my slime vending machine, and over here you put in 25 cents to make slime. Right here is your activator to make the slime. Over here is your mixing tools, and you push that to get the glue out. And this is where the glue comes from. So this is my slime vending machine. I will show y'all how it works. So what you are gonna do is you're gonna take your quarter and put it through the slot. Then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna push it, and there is your glue. And then you are going to take your glue and the mixing tool, and you are going to come over here and you are going to squirt in some activator. Get this out. Do a couple pumps at a time. We're going to take your mixing tool and you are going to mix it together. It's already forming slime. And if your slime is too sticky or it's not quite slime fit, you can add a couple more pumps. Couple more pops so it'll come off. There we go. Here is my slime, and I'm going to eat it with my hands. You know what's weird, guys? Every single time I play with slime, I start whispering. I don't know why. See, I just whispered. Here is my slime that I made from my slime vending machine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below for new video suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and